Ever need a screenshot fast but could not remember the right shortcut? You are not alone. Today I am sharing 5 easy Android screenshot tricks, including a few hidden features most people completely miss. Stick around. You will probably find a method that makes capturing your screen much easier. So let's get started. First, open any page or screen if you want to take a screenshot. After that, first of all, I am using the button method. So you can locate the power button and volume down button on your phone. Once you found them, tap on the both button at the same time. And that's it, automatically capture the screen immediately. The second method. This time I am using the quick settings menu. So swipe down the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Then swipe again to open the quick panel menu. Here you can see various icons available there. Find the take screenshot or screenshot option appear. Tap on it and automatically capture the screen. The third method is this time you can use settings. So swipe down again to open the quick panel. Tap on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Once you are in the settings, scroll down a little, find the advanced features option, tap on it. Here you can scroll down and find the motion and gesture option, open it. After this page, look for the palm swipe to capture option. If your option is disabled, simply turn it on first. After that, to capture screen, simply swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. Play. The fourth method, I am using the edge panel. To do this, simply return to the main settings menu, scroll down, find the display option, open it. After this menu, scroll down again, find the edge panel option, open them. If your option is disabled, so first of all turn it on. After it's enabled, go to the panel section. Here you can see various options there. Make sure to task is selected. After that, simply swipe the edge and the right or left side on your phone, then swipe again to open the menu. After that, you can find the take screenshot option. Simply tap on it and automatically take a screenshot on your phone. The last and final method, I am using assistant menu. So return to the main settings menu again, scroll down to the bottom, find the accessibility option, tap on it. After that, look for the interaction and dexterity, open it. Here find the assistant menu option, tap to open the menu and make sure to this option is turned on. After that, you can see the pop-up available assistant menu button appear on your screen. To capture a screen, simply tap on the button. Here find the screenshot option, tap on it and automatically capture the screen on your phone. And that's it, how you can easily 5 ways to take a screenshot on Android. I hope you deserve a screenshot trick you will actually use. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more helpful Android tips and let me know your favorite method below. Thanks for watching.